DS Automobiles, one of the multi-energy brands with the lowest CO2 emissions in Europe since 2020, has come up with an innovative solution, the new DS3. It offers a choice of electric, petrol and diesel drivetrains that make it a fuel-efficient option for drivers. The electric version, DS3 E10s, comes with a completely new electric motor, reduction gear and battery assembled in Trémery-Metz, Valenciennes and Poissy respectively. This high-tech solution is powered by 155 horsepower of power and 260 Nm of torque at 400 volts thanks to expertise gained in Formula E technology. It also has thermal control through liquid circulation and a heat pump for rapid charging up to 80% in 25 minutes, as well as increased range and lifespan. The optimized architecture of the battery makes it very compact and evenly distributed beneath the front and rear seats and center tunnel so that usability is not compromised while impact resistance remains optimal. Moreover, new DS3 E10s manages up to 250 miles of range on the WLTP combined cycle due to its efficient electric motor, energy recovery ability, heat pump feature, thermal preconditioning, as well as aerodynamic optimization at the front wheels and ground clearance. Apart from this electrified version, DS3 also offers two petrol drivetrains, PureTech 100 with 6-speed manual gearbox or PureTech 130 with 8-speed automatic gearbox, which are compliant with recent anti-pollution standards. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.